Okay, so we're going to be checking out this organic dragon fruit. I've never had it before. It's definitely a rarity in the markets I circulate in. Unfortunately, it was on clearance, so that helped me decide to get it. But it's just fruit. It's not rocket science. Oh well. So anyway, there's some interesting info on what's going on. So I suppose you use it as a component for interesting dishes. Pitaya, I guess. Pitaya. Looks like they do other fruit as well, possibly. I've never heard of them before, which is usual. I'm learning all kinds of stuff. So anyway, it's an open ventilated package. It's got the non-GMO. And then USDA organic seal. So you get 14 ounces, 4-pack. So let's see what they got. I'm gonna open this up real quick. Yeah, I just pulled that strip up. Oh look. So it's frozen solid. Came from the frozen section. So it reminds me of those terrible Otter Pops. I say terrible because there was nothing but sugar and dye, more or less. Product of Nicaragua. Wow. Kosher and vegan. Wow. There's some more seals on there. I wonder why those aren't on the front of this package. Are they in the? Oh, here we are. They're on the back. Never seen one like that. Oh, it's not coming up. There we go. Vegan verified. Gluten and dairy free. Earth kosher. Non-GMO. Wow. So there you go. Wow. There's. I'm gonna test it out. Try it real quick. How do you open this? You just cut it open. Scissors or a knife or something. Hold up. Oh, free. Did you know you can open up plastic packages with screwdrivers? Just have this handy. Hold on here. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing down the dragon fruit pulp, so then I'm going to slit the top. So that way, when I slit the top, a bunch doesn't rush out. I'm assuming that'll work. Well, I just poked a little hole in it, and it's a purple substance. I'm going to try it right quick. I didn't taste anything. Let me try that again. I've never tasted anything like it. Hold on here. Trying to get an idea of how to describe it. I would say it tastes like cherry, or like a bland cherry, but really bland, like almost no flavor. Like if you could have like the most blandest cherry in the world. Yeah, that's about what it tastes like. Dragon fruit tastes like a really bland cherry, like a cherry without flavor. Not super tart or super sweet, just it's like a flavorless cherry. I mean, there's a little tad, but I'd say out of 100% flavor of a cherry, it has like 5%. Hold on here. Nope. It's not bad. It's just bland. Huh. So anyway, it's good for summer though, that's for sure. It looks like an interesting way to do things. Anyway, so that's been the dragon fruit, organic dragon fruit from Pitaya Plus. Alright, thank you.